Well, I got this new style mortise lock, and what's happening is it's not letting the latch come back out on its own. So what we have to do, we have to take this thing apart, give us some clearance around this where the knob goes, but when we take this thing apart, we're going to have to be real careful. Take the screw out because there's a spring right here. Have your piece of cloth to hold all your screws and springs and whatnot so they don't roll off the table. Even better to put it in a drawer so there's no chance of them, if they do get knocked off, they don't wind up on the floor. Pop this thing up any way possible. So like I said, just be careful, because see, oh boy, even that thing, easy does it. Nope, I just heard the spring come out. There it is. You just want to be able to hold that spring in place. Got this grinder. Well, one of the springs just came out. There we go. Hang on to them. Maybe it'd be better if I took them out. Matter of fact, we'll just take everything out. Okay, less chance of anything going anywhere. See, this is the one it's stuck in. Oh, it just don't want to come out. Usually doesn't take much. Now, see, working easy now there. Working easy there. So we're going to call it good. You can see how we've cleaned it up. Alright, now let's put everything back together. Okay, this will go in there. Okay, we got both these things. They slide on that pin. And then, if I can get them around there, there we go. And they slide onto that notch right there. This goes right there. Now you have to remember there's two ways this thing can go. There's a left hand and then a right hand. Left hand, right hand. So you got to make sure you put this in right, if you can remember which way the door closes, because this will go either way. Okay, spring Well, let's get this on first, because we want that spring to be the very last thing we put on. Okay, that's going to go like that. Push that all the way forward. Get this piece here ready to go on. Push that spring down in there. Just be careful. Okay, everything's ready. The plate goes on. Just make sure it goes on all the way around. Okay, we'll just give it a little bit of WD-40 and it'll work fine. But what happens is, when this thing gets hard to turn, this glass handle gets loose into this carrier,